Now we can see the another set of 20 verbs. Okay, another set of 20 verbs. The first one is, see here, chamak. Okay, we have to pronounce it as chamak. Chamak means glitters. Okay, chamak means glitters. Chamak means glitters. तारे आकाश में चमक रहे हैं. Okay, तारे आकाश में चमक रहे हैं. In English we can say it as the stars are twinkling in the sky. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Okay, chamak means glitter. You got the meaning? Or you got the meaning for glitter? Then next 22nd we can see chal. Chal means walk. Chal means walk. मैं चल रहा हूँ. मैं चल रहा हूँ. I am walking. I am walking. This is the meaning for chal. Okay. Then we can go for the next one, chag. Chag means like or wish. Wish. Like or wish. Okay. बच्चे मिठाई चाखते हैं. बच्चे मिठाई चाखते हैं. Okay. Children's like sweets. Children's like sweets. Okay. Chag means like or wish. Like or wish. In the place of like or wish, we can say we have to use the word chag. Okay. Chag. Is it clear? Easily understandable? Can you follow me? Okay. See. Next one is chura. 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 Chura means steal. Chura means steal. Okay. चोर गहने चुरे हैं. चोर गहने चुरे हैं. Okay. The thieves. Okay. The thieves steal the bangles, ornaments. Okay. The thieves steal the ornaments. Steal. Okay. Steal means thief, theft. Okay. The next one is chop. Chop. Chop means print. Chop means print. अखबार में खेलों का छाप रही है. खेलों का समाचार छाप रहे हैं. अखबार means newspaper. Okay, in newspaper we are printing the sports news. Chop means print. Okay, the next one is chain. Chain means snatch. Okay, snatch. छीन गया. बच्चे गेंद छीन गया. Okay, बच्चे गेंद छीन कर भाग गया. Okay, बच्चे गेंद छीन कर भाग गया means the boy snatched the ball and went away. Snatched the ball and went away. Okay, is it clear? Can you understand? Chew. The next one is chew. Chew means touch. Chew means touch. Okay. बच्चे को छूने का आदत है. बच्चे को छूने का आदत है. Okay. Here babies are loving to touch us. Babies love to touch his mother. Okay. The next one is chod. Chod means drop, leave. Drop or leave. Okay. मैं कॉफ़ी पीने छोड़ दिया. I leave for drinking the coffee. Okay. I leave to drink the coffee. Okay. Drop the. Here also for drop we can say that गाड़ी मुझे छोड़ दिया. Okay. गाड़ी मुझे छोड़ दिया. Train dropped here. Okay. Train dropped here. The next one is Chal. Chal means burn. Okay. आग को आग जल रहा है. आग जल रहा है means fire is burning. Okay. आग जल रहा है means burn. Is it clear to understand this? Okay. The next one is change. Change means examine. Okay, in the in परीक्षों के समय अध्यापक विद्यार्थी को जांच करते हैं. जांच मीन examine. In the exam hall invigilator examines the students. Okay, अध्यापक, here we can say it as अध्यापक जांच रहे हैं, examine. Okay, जांच रहे हैं. Okay, we can go to the next one, jug. We can go to the next one, jug. Jug means wake up. Okay, jog means wake up here. Jog means wake up. Okay, wake up. मैं सवेरे 6 बजे जाग गया. Okay, मैं सवेरे 6 बजे जाग गया means I wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. I wake up 6 o'clock in the morning. The next one is John. John, pronunciation is John, the meaning is no. The meaning is no. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. I know him. Okay, I know him. मैं उसे जानता हूँ. I know him. Next, Jeet. Jeet, the pronunciation is Jeet, the meaning is win. The meaning is win. भारत क्रिकेट मैच में जीत गया, जीत गई. भारत के टीम, ओके, भारत के टीम क्रिकेट मैच में जीत गए. इंडिया won the match. Okay, India won the match. Like this we have to use this verb. Next one, don't. Don't means break. Don't means break it up. Okay, बच्चा कलम को टूटा. बच्चा कलम को टूटा. The boy break the pen. The boy broke the pen also. The next verb is ठहर. ठहर means stay. ठहर means stay. मैं तिरछी में ठहरा. मैं तिरछी में ठहरा. I stay in तिरछी. Okay, I stay in तिरछी. तिरछी में ठहरा. Next one is doob. Okay, next one is doob. Doob means drawn. Doob means drawn. Okay, doob means drawn. बच्चे पानी में डूब गया. बच्चे पानी में डूब गया. डूब गया means here the child drawn in the water. The child drawn in the water. Okay, can you understand? Is it clear? Are you feeling well? Okay, next 37th, tuck. Tuck means church. Tuck means church. The pronunciation is tuck. The meaning is church. मैं अच्छी किताबों को टक रहा हूँ. मैं अच्छी किताबों को टक रहा हूँ means I am in search of good books. I am in search of good books. Okay, the next one is tire. Tire, pronunciation is tire. The meaning is swim. The meaning is swim. Okay, मुझे तैरना आता है. मुझे तैरना आता है. I can swim. Okay, I can swim. मुझे तैरना आता है means I can swim. Okay, the next one is toad. The next one is toad. Toad means break. Okay, toad means also break. बंदर पेड़ को तोड़ा. बंदर पेड़ को तोड़ा means monkey breaks the tree. Okay, monkey breaks the trees. Next one is 40th one, dek. Okay, dek, the pronunciation is dek. The meaning is see. The meaning is see. मुझे मैं आंखों से देख रहा हूँ. I see from my eyes. Okay, I see from my eyes. Okay, here देख. देख means see. Okay, मैं किताब देख रहा हूँ. The another sentence is मैं किताब देख रहा हूँ. Okay, I am seeing. I am seeing the book. I am seeing the book. Every action has something that is called as verb. Okay, something word is called as verb. without the verb we cannot express anything at all. Okay, we cannot express anything at all. We have to follow this. Don't skip this video. Okay, don't skip this video. Watch the video fully. Then only you can understand the meanings and the pronunciation. Okay, is it clear?